Can you help me? Who's gonna help me?
He just jacked you.
He did. Can I fix it real quick? Thank you.
Where's your harmonica? Play.
Wrong side.
Other side. Turn it over. There you go. Play. Sit down.
Hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing to your brother? He's putting his feet up on the back of the couch.
Hi.
Landon, are we going to get your hair cut today?
First haircut?
Are we going to get your hair cut? Yeah, your haircut.
Really?
You are so silly.
Really? Really? Here, I can't fix it.